Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix "we couldn't verify your country" YouTube Premium. All right, let's begin. This error usually happens when your account, location, payment method, or IP address does not match the country linked to your Google account. To fix this, start by checking your Google account country. Open your profile settings and make sure your country is set correctly. Next, verify your Google Payments profile. Your payment method must be issued in the same country you are trying to subscribe from. If it does not match, update, or create a new payment profile with the correct country. Also, disable any VPN or proxy service, as this can cause location mismatches. After turning it off, refresh the page and try again. Make sure your account is not actively used in multiple countries and that you have consistent usage from your current location. You can also clear your browser cache, switch browsers, or try subscribing through the YouTube mobile app. If the issue continues, contact YouTube support for further help. So that's basically how you can fix "we couldn't verify your country" YouTube Premium. That's it for this video. Thanks.